Welcome to Healthcare Analytics. Today we will see how to add styles. How to add styles to rows and columns. How to make it little more colorful and customize it as per your requirements. So this part we have already seen what is ODS statement, and here I will be focusing on just the styles part. And this proc report statement we are all writing within the ODS statement, and we are using the sasrib.class dataset. These things we have already discussed in other videos. If you have not watched them, please do watch them. The purpose of roles, options, cell padding, cell spacing, frame, protect, special care. So these things have been discussed in other videos. So do take a look at it if you like to know more about it. And the column statement to identify, to select the variables, define statement, how to use those variables. Here it's age is a display variable, for example. And this we have already seen how to add titles using proc report compute block in the other video. And let's come to the formatting part. So we are giving color here, foreground color. So compute before page underscore, before underscore page underscore. So these things will become the title. So all these are titles. So we have given some coloring options for these titles, and let's see how it looks. Probably this is not the best way to give the color. You can select some other colors, but for learning purpose I have just put one example as a color, orange color here, and within orange color you can see it's blue color. The titles are in blue color. So looking at the formatting option, so background is orange and the foreground is blue. Font size, font style is Roman, and the size of the font is 14 point, and it's bold. You can make it light as well. You can change it to light as well. Instead of bold, you can make it light. LIGHT. So this is one of the formatting options. And the other thing is, let's say we have the output here, and you can see Alfred is bold in color. Alfred. All the values for student Alfred is bold. 14, male, 69, 112.5, except M, everything else is bold. So that was done using a formatting option, compute statement. So I'm writing compute name. So which variable I want to tweak here actually. I mean interested in for Alfred. Alfred falls within the column name. So I'm writing, because Alfred is the person for whom the row of Alfred I'm customizing in a different way. So I'm writing name because Alfred value falls within the variable name. The value Alfred is falling within the column name. So I'm writing compute name. If find of name is Alfred, in other words, there is somewhere in the value called Alfred value is there within the particular column name, then do call define underscore row underscore. You are formatting the row, you are adding style, and the style is font underscore weight equal to bold. You are trying to make it bold, and comp. So this do statement will end with an end, and compute block will end with a end comp. So the result is we are getting a bold color. It's Alfred, row is in bold color. We are formatting the row. Now let's see how we can format the column. And here I am interested in formatting for all the males. When the gender is male, I want to format it with a different, in italics, with a different color and background. So let's look at the, so whenever the column is sex, and you can notice that I am formatting compute sex because I am trying to customize for this particular variable, and when the condition is when the sex value for sex is M. So whenever it is M, apply this formatting. And The style is provided to the column. It's a column. As previously it was a row, now it's column. Previously it was a row for Alfred, now it's a column for sex. And let's see how it looks like. I provided font underscore weight equal to medium. If I make it bold, I can make it bold as well. Medium, bold, light. Style is italic. The color is blue and background is orange. And you can see that I got the formatting whatever I have asked for. So background is orange, foreground is blue, and whenever the value is male or M, and the value is in italics. It's not bold, it's medium. I hope this explains the role of how to add formattings, how to add color styles in compute block of proc report. So if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe it, and if you have any questions or doubts, please do drop it in the comment box. Thank you.